y'all? JazzJanay here, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieve wand curls and how I preserve my wand curls overnight. So when my hair gets old, when it starts to get a little bit oily, that's when I start to just pop some curls in my head, because that's when the curls are the tightest. Well, not the tightest, but they last the longest when your hair is actually oily. So my hair is getting oily. It's going on a week that my hair has been done. Friday would make it a week. Today is Wednesday, but so Friday I'm going down to see my boyfriend, then I'm going to a bridal shower. So I need my hair to be kind of, you know, cute. So so now that I'm done talking, I'm gonna just get straight into the tutorial. So first you want to section off your hair, just to do it. And I'm trying to see if I want to do small sections or if I want to do bigger sections. I don't know. Starting with this section in the back and at the bottom, I'm gonna take my Tresemme heat protectant up to 450 and just spray that on there. Whenever you're using heat, my natural girls, please protect your hairs. Like, please protect it with some type of heat protectant, because we don't want to damage those curls. So yeah, I'm gonna take a section about this big. This is the section I kind of want to go with, and make sure my wand is on, and just, I'm not gonna do it flat. I'm gonna twist it around the wand. So you see the flick of the wrist? Twist it around and let it stay for like 15 seconds. Then let go. And that's the curl that it creates. Oh, that did not turn out right. Okay. So when I get towards the front, I kind of want to do smaller sections, because so it can like frame my face a little bit better. So I got my AirPods in and they are really loud. Okay, so anyways, I want to do the sections a little smaller. So I'm gonna take a section about this small, and since I'm on this side of my hair, I want to make sure I curl away from my face. So taking the and making sure it's away from my face. You'll see the difference on the other side. So at the front of my hair, I want to make sure it's like extra protected, because when I was first wearing my natural hair and stuff, the front of my hair was the most heat damaged, and I finally got rid of all that heat damage, and I ain't trying to go back, okay? So I'm trying to make sure it doesn't stay on there that long. They can be a little bit looser in the front if you want to go for that effortless look. So I'm not gonna hold the wand curl on my front end for that long. And it still curled pretty good, because I mean it's the it's smaller pieces. So I'm on this side of my hair now, so I want to curl away from my face. So position a wand curl like this and curl away from the face. Make sure not to get that neck. Jesus. Why curling your hair gotta be a doggone workout? Dang. Man, my arm's hurting and I just came from working out. I'm literally dying right now. Y'all, I gotta work. I work 16 hours tomorrow. How I'm gonna do that, I don't know, but y'all be praying for me. I'm pulling a whole double. I'm going in at 7 in the morning, and I'm probably not going to get off until 10:30 or 11 at night. Like, I'm literally working the entire day. How I'm going to do that, I don't know.